started recording this video wanting to give this a good review, but I didn't quite go to plan. Here's what happened. This is my Ryobi Knapsack sprayer. This is obviously electric. There's a little panel here. It's obviously 18 volt. I've got a 4 amp hour battery in it at the moment. It does fit a 5, and then it's covered up effectively. It's on a metal frame. It's got nice padded, or somewhat padded, shoulder straps with a nice springy back plate there. It kind of like, it rests nice into your back. Standard trigger, and then in the top it's got like a grated filter there. So I've already got chemicals in there from last year. I thought it had broken, but the battery had just run out, so bear that in mind if you ever get one of these. I would recommend getting an electric one. You can get ones that are like, there's a pump on the side like that, but this it just goes, it just makes it a little bit easier. However, 15 litres, if you fully fill it up, it's quite a task to like carry it along. Well, I don't know, there's probably about 10 litres in there at the moment. I would say that's okay. It bruises your shoulders after a little while if you fill it up to the top. So I'm just going to go around now and get the odd ones that I couldn't get otherwise. So I'm going to carry on spraying these bits here, and I'll be back in a couple of days with my actual sprayer. I thought it was broken last year, and then I thought this year maybe the battery's just run out, and the battery had run out, but can you hear where the pump's on all of the time? So it's not really working. Is it? Why is it not working? It's like it's not priming properly. Right, what do I do now? Because obviously I've got a load of chemicals in the back and I can't exactly stick my hand in there. Do you reckon something's stuck in the pump? Is it leaking air? Obviously it's not priming, is it? Motherfucker. I emptied out the chemicals and I've run a load of water through it now. I think it's working properly. I believe what the issue is, whilst I was using something called Thrust as an actual herbicide, broadleaf herbicide, I also put in this, which is an enhancer oil. I believe that probably changed the viscosity of the substance within it just enough for that pump not to work properly. I'm just going to use the Thrust now, put it in there, and I'll finish what I was doing. So other than that little bit of trouble I've had with that last batch of herbicides and the oil, I think it's quite decent. I quite like it. I like how it fits on my back. I like the straps. They could be a little bit more padded. I mean, they are quite broad, but it's fine. Would I recommend it? No. No, I wouldn't buy it again. Reason being, I've been trying to stick with it. It was good the first couple of times I used it, like a couple of years ago. But watch now. Right, so this, like, it's just, it hasn't got the oil in anymore. Ready? That's good. And then nothing. So it just stops. So the pump's still going, so it's not priming properly. It's just not working. In theory, this is brilliant. In practice, the pump is shit. So it's just over 2 years old. I didn't register it for its extended warranty, so this was just basically a waste of money. How much was it? 160 quid or whatever. I'll probably take it apart and see if I can get a replacement pump for it. I haven't used it that much. I was expecting to say this is awesome, but it's just not. It's not. I've had it stripped down. I checked everything. There's nothing that seized. The diaphragms in the pump housing, they've not ripped or anything. It's just a shit design that hardly sucks anything. Obviously for this, you want a good sucker, don't you? So you can then spray, but it's just not having it. So don't buy it. It's crap. I might be able to get another pump and rig up something. I mean, here, there's quite a nice space there to obviously MacGyver something together, but other than that, like obviously paying 160, 180 quid for this, it's just not worth it. You expect paying that kind of money that it would last a lot longer than it has. Anyway, there we go. That's my shitty review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.